Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In the dynamic landscape of technology, drones have truly taken center stage. As we navigate through this year, I'm thrilled to present the definitive list of the 5 best drones available right now. Whether you're a photography pro reaching for the perfect shot or an adventure seeker wanting to capture life's thrills from a new perspective, these drones have something exceptional to offer. Stay tuned as we unravel the unparalleled capabilities, smart features, and innovation that these drones bring to the table. Get ready to elevate your expectations because the sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. Number 5. DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo. The DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo with dual cameras for creative shots, a 46-minute flight time, and enhanced safety features, this drone is a game changer. The dual cameras offer both medium tel and wide-angle options, perfect for immersive travel photography and storytelling. Enjoy up to 46 minutes of flight time, a 48% increase from its predecessor, without worrying about battery life. Navigate with confidence thanks to omnidirectional obstacle sensing even in challenging environments. Capture stunning 48-megapixel images revealing incredible details, even in cropped shots. Record cinematic 4K/60 HDR videos for vibrant and lifelike footage. Experience stable 1080/60 video transmission up to 20 kilometers, ensuring smooth flights. The DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo with DJI RC2. Your ticket to capturing breathtaking moments from above. Happy flying. Number 4. Potensic ATOM Southeast Drone with Camera. Get ready to meet the game changer of the year, the Potensic ATOM Southeast Drone with Camera. Weighing just 249 grams, it's your ticket to hassle-free flying. No registration required, but don't let its size fool you. This drone is a wing-defying champ with a powerful brushless motor. The Surge Fleet control system offers beginner-friendly and sporty flight modes, perfect for all skill levels. Elevate your drone game with the Potensic ATOM Southeast. The sky's the limit. Number 3. Potensic Dreamer Pro 4K GPS Drone. Step into the future of drone technology with the Potensic Dreamer Pro 4K GPS drone. Armed with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal and a 1/3-inch Sony CMOS sensor, it captures mesmerizing 16 megapixels photos and cinematic 4K videos at 30 fps. From Follow Me to DIY Circle Flight, its versatile features offer creative control. With an impressive 2-kilometer control range and 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi image reliability, you'll explore the world from thrilling heights. The Power AC dynamic system and robust brushless motor ensure remarkable resilience even in challenging conditions. Elevate your aerial photography and videography with the Dreamer Pro. Number 2. DJI Mini 2 Southeast. The ultimate lightweight drone. Weighing under 249 grams, it's your perfect adventure companion, capturing stunning aerial shots on the go. Ideal for beginners, its user-friendly controls and return-to-home feature ensure worry-free flying. With up to 31 minutes of flight time and an option for a combo package with 3 batteries, the sky's the limit for exploration. The DJI Fly app simplifies capturing epic shots, while a 10-kilometer max transmission range powered by DJI's OcuSync technology lets you fly further and capture more. Elevate your creativity with the DJI Mini 2 Southeast and take your aerial photography to new heights. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 DJI RC. Get ready to elevate your aerial photography game with the DJI Mini 3. This compact and lightweight camera drone, weighing under 249 grams, is your perfect adventure companion. With up to 38 minutes of flight time and stunning 4K HDR video quality, it captures every detail in both day and night scenes. The true vertical shooting feature lets you effortlessly capture tall landmarks, and quick shots offer dynamic flight patterns for incredible shots. Wind resistant and equipped with the DJI RC controller's built-in HD display, the Mini 3 ensures steady flight and clear visuals, even under sunlight. And if you're looking for more airtime, the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus extends flight time up to 51 minutes, select countries exceeding 249 grams weight. Experience the world from new heights and endless creative angles. The DJI Mini 3 is your gateway to breathtaking drone photography. I'm glad you could join me today. If you enjoyed this content, remember to subscribe and like. Check out the description for links to the products I discussed. Stay tuned for more great content in the future. Until then, stay curious and keep learning.